Ryuus, and I'm 6 years old, and I'm showing you how to make your own game by scratch. And I think I'm ready. Okay. This is how you create. First, you choose a character. If you don't like the character you have, okay, first you choose a character. Then you choose some movements or looks or sounds or controls or settings, operationals or fins. What's how you call that? Variables. And kind of you cannot do my blocks. And then you choose one of them and you see lot of things, and you start choosing things.
Right, why did you choose the y-axis? Why did you choose y value instead of x value?
Oh,
You have to explain.
I choose y value because up and down is y value and left and right is x value. And I choose some oopsies. And I choose one down arrow key pressed because you have to have things to test, and now I test it out. And it works. And then I choose event. Never mind. I choose when to click the flag because when I click the flag, it says go. And then you start playing the game. So I choose a movement for my when down arrow key pressed, and I choose down value. And then I do it to change the y-axis to -1 because down is minus and up is plus, and for right is plus and left is minus. I choose the event, and then I change the down arrow to right arrow, and then I drag it inside, and then I go to movement, and I choose the X value because left and right is the X value. And I choose change by 1 because right is bigger, makes your number bigger, and left makes your number smaller. And then I go back to events, and then I change the right arrow to left arrow, and then I drag it in, and then I go to movement, and I choose the X value because left is small, and it's the X value. And I put -1 because left left makes the number smaller. And I go to events again. Yeah, I go to controls. And I get if then on here. And then if.
But what are you trying to do now? Now that you can control, right? You want to test it out?
Yeah.
Yeah. All that. Okay.
And now I'm going to test it out. And it works. And it works. And it works. And it works. And see how the X value and the right value change numbers? Like you're going up, then the y-axis goes bigger, and if you go down, the y-axis goes smaller, and if I go this way, the x value goes bigger, and if I press left, then the x value gets smaller. And then I get.
And then what do you want to do next? So now that you can move your dragon, what do you want to do next with your dragon?
And now I'm going to create my maze. And then I go down, go up, and I want to choose Arctic. So I get Arctic, and I want him to start here. And I go to background 2, and I press this, and then start drawing my maze. This, and I put lines. And now I'm gonna go here and say this is the start. I say this is the start, and I go down and keep drawing my maze. And this is just an example. And I keep drawing my maze and drawing my maze everywhere. And I'm gonna do this with my maze, do this. And your maze is not supposed to be diagonal like this. Like this. You're supposed to put it in straight lines. And if you make a mistake, you just press the select and then start erasing. And if you make a mistake, you just select your thing and start erasing it. And also you can change backgrounds. Like I changed and I draw lines on my regular thing. And if you want, you can change your background. You can change your background into normal, or you can change your background into like Antarctica or Egypt or anything, or your bed or bedroom or in the ocean, anywhere in the background, but I'm doing it normal because I'm writing my maze. You can make your own maze. and I'm drawing my maze, and I try to want to make it easy. This maze is easy for kids because and you can erase with click. And if you see this with that and the pointer and that circle line thingy, then don't do that. It does something else. But if you do the select thingy, it'll erase things. And I'm continuing with my maze. And I draw lines, and there's different materials to use. There's different materials, but I'm just focusing on lines and select. And now I delete this. I delete, and then I go back to lines, and I'm continuing on my maze. You can call your maze anything. You can call it Dragon Maze 1, or you can call it anything. You can call it Dangerous Maze, or the Lost Maze, or you can call it something else. Whatever you know to write your maze name. And also, if you're creating a game, the game has to have a name, or else nobody will know the name of the game. Okay. Okay. And this is just an example. So you can make your maze hard, or you can make easy, or you can make it like a little bit hard, or you can make it a little bit easy, or you can make it so hard. Whatever you want. It's your game. You can program your own game. Doesn't matter which name is it. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter which name is it. Doesn't matter if it's maze or something else. Doesn't matter. Make your own thing. You can make catching bees. You can make like catching bees. Or you can make eating bees. Or you can play something else. Or you can make a hard game. And right now I'm just making a simple game. That's the end. And this game is simple. this game there's a dragon trying to get the gem. And how to create a game, you just go on Scratch. Go on Scratch to make your own game. And this is the end. So I think I'm done with my game. Or you can make your game cooler. You can make your game cooler, or you can make your game 3D. Or you can make your game a little bit hard, a little bit easy. Or you can make complicated games or easy games. But right now I'm starting with easy games. Like this. I'm going down. I'm playing my own game that I made up. I'm playing game, and maybe somebody might like your game or my game when you make your game. How do you? And then the goal, you can make a goal for your game. And my goal of my game is my dragon getting the jewel without getting stuck in this maze forever. Because dragons really like gold and they move around everywhere. Or you can make a hard game, like somebody chasing your character. Or you can make a hard game, and if somebody's chasing your character and making him dead, like Pac-Man. Ghosts are chasing him. Maybe you can make someone chasing um your character in your game when you create it. That sounds cooler. It sounds cool. You can also make cool games. Um, cool games. I'm done with my game.